Hi, my name is Krishna. I'm the Director of Product Management at Aerohive Networks, and in this video I'll talk to you about our latest product, AP150W. It's the latest addition to our 11AC Wave 2 product portfolio. In this video I'll talk to you about the product specifications, product design, features, etc. So let's start off with the product design itself. As you can see in this product is designed to go on an Ethernet wall jack, a single gang or a dual gang Ethernet wall jack. So the primary requirement for this product, when I was penning down the requirements for this product, was that it had to sit flush with the wall, and it also needed a very thin profile. It cannot really be a thick product. So our engineers here, we have some of the best engineers in the valley working for us here. They've designed a product that is sleek, a very simple, intuitive profile based design. They have ensured that the layout of the ports are done really well. It's easy to identify the ports, and then the Wi-Fi capabilities and performance come on top of that. So as I talk to you about the product and its capabilities and its ports, let's start off with the back side. Here you can see there are 3 ports. The first port is a green colored port. It says Ethernet 0 PoE in. This is a port that would connect to the cable coming from the wall, the drop coming from the wall. This is the one that would have AF power or 802.3 AT power that would power the wall plate itself. Then you have a port with a yellow orange colored label called pass-through. This port is to ensure that if you have a second cable drop in the same wall jack, you don't end up losing that drop. There is an investment that you've made to get that drop there, and we want to ensure you're able to keep that investment and you're able to expose that second port as well. So you would connect that second port here, your primary port on the green slot, and then the orange colored pass-through port will simply extend to the orange pass-through on the bottom. That's all we do. We don't manage it. We don't take any power out of it. We just expose it to you, the end user, on the bottom. So that ensures that any cabling investments that you've made on an Ethernet wall jack is protected. Let's talk about the other port. We have a console port on the back side. On a wall jack type environment, you may not always need the console port. We support a capability called Access Console, using which you can actually get into the product remotely, wirelessly, instead of having to remove it from the wall jack. It's one of the cooler features that we have at Aerohive. The console port is useful when you have a desk mount stand that I will talk about in just a bit. If you see the bottom side, you have a 48 volt DC input. So for those environments where you don't have PoE available, you can use a standard power socket on the wall. We sell a Ethernet adapter. Sorry, we sell a PoE. We sell a DC power supply with the product, and that DC power supply would connect on this port. Then we have that pass-through port that I explained previously, and then another green port, ETH1 PoE out. So think about a scenario where you're actually getting 802.3 AT from the wall, and that powers this AP. We have about 12 watts extra that we can provide on this downlink port. So start thinking about applications like a video camera or an IP phone that could benefit from a port like that. If you're talking about a hospitality environment where you need to power a phone, when you're talking about a dormitory environment, a higher education dormitory environment where you may need to power any neighboring PoE device, that port with that 12 watt budget will come in handy. And then you've got 2 other Ethernet ports, ETH2 and ETH3. Both of those are regular Gigabit Ethernet data ports. By the way, all the 3 ports, the ETH1, ETH2, ETH3 are all Gigabit Ethernet ports. So is the PoE in port. Lastly, I want to talk to you about the Wi-Fi capabilities on this product. This product is built with a 2x2 radio on the 2.4 gig side and a 3x3 radio on the 5 gig side. The 3x3 radio makes it very unique because it's the only product in the industry that has that 3x3 capability, which will let you connect to your 3x3 clients and get you a much better performance, a much better experience. It's also Wave 2 capable, so it can do multi-user MIMO as well. But we have observed that there aren't too many Wave 2 clients out there. So for the bulk of your Wave 1 and 11AC clients, this product is a perfect fit. Last but not the least, I want to talk to you about accessory we have with the product. I figured most of you are into thrones, so I figured I'll build a throne for my product. You guys like the iron throne, I built a stainless steel throne. It doesn't rust. So this is the desk mount for this product. And for those environments where you want this to be in your house, you want this to be in a small office, all you have to do is ensure that the AP sits on the throne. That's it. It sits on the throne. There is a security screw on the top, which ensures that no one unseats you from your throne, and that keeps the product secured. So all in all, we spoke about the product design. We spoke about the Ethernet in, the fact that we have labeling on the port, which helps you understand what ports do what function. We spoke about PoE out. We spoke about the orange colored port, the passive pass-through port, console, DC input, and my fancy stainless steel throne. That was the product introduction video where I talk about specifications and the Wi-Fi capabilities. Thank you for watching.